Hello everyone, Jay here. I'm at the beach. We have the TreasurePro. We're set to beach mode, sensitivity of 6. Let's get all the goodies. We have a solid dime signal, 73. Let's get it. Just under the surface, 1.5 inches. Hey, 2 dimes. We have a miscellaneous signal, solid 49.50. 2.5 inches. Flung it out. What is this? Oh, cool. An earring. It is pretty. Got the hook and all. Let's go find its partner. Have a jumpy signal. Goes from 40 to 80. Two and a half inches. This Miller Lite, Michelob Ultra. We have a jumpy nickel foil signal. Let's get it. Two and a half inches. Jumpy. Let's get this bottle cap, yeah. Oh, it's not a bottle cap. It is. Pack of smokes. Soggy pack of smokes. Parliament. Haven't seen that in forever. We have a miscellaneous penny signal. Goes from 50 to 59. 1.5 inches. All right, it's a penny. Oil signal. 0.5. Just under the surface. Oh. Condom wrapper. We have a nickel signal, 27. 2.5 inches. You know, I like my pull tabs. Did I drop it right here? I did. One more. Into the pouch. A foil pull tab signal. No VDI. 6 inches. Seemed like it was a small target. Yep. Oh, cool. Butterfly. It's like, what is that? Awesome. Let's see if the necklace is here. We have a jumpy signal. It goes from 50 to 90. It's right here. 2 inches. Alright, jumpy. Mike's Hard Lemonade. We have an iron signal, -7. So right here, 2.5 to 3 inches. There it is, blue. Cheers, Sam Adams. We have a foil signal, 04. Five inches. Into the pouch. We have a dime quarter signal. Just under the surface, 1/2 inch. Is there more? All right. Fancy bottle cap with the foil. We have a one-way high tone. Now it's in the iron range. Let's get it. Saying 4 inches, 5 inches. I see it. St. Pauli girl. Fold it over, that's why it sounded real weird. I have an iron signal. No VDI. Five inches. See some rust. Oh. Ooh. Holy cow. Big old nail. Into the pouch. Maybe it has brothers and sisters in there. Let's check. That was the scoop. No, 03. Two inches. Let's get this foil. All right, chewing gum. Yeah, I'll dig all the 00s all day. Chewing gum wrappers, you name it. Have a jumpy signal. Goes from penny to quarter. Here we are. We have a jumpy signal. Goes from penny to quarter. 2.5 inches. Walk right over it. Is there a coin spill? Nope. Bottle cap. have a quarter signal, solid 82. Two and a half inches. All right, one more quarter. There was this thing. It's a bottle cap. A chunk of metal on the inside. Welcome to the wrap up. As you can see, we had another great day at the beach. Sadly, my GoPro didn't record every dig. It missed the first half. But we found a set of sunglasses, a big old nail, a bunch of bottle caps, 2 tent pegs, a bunch of foil, some pull tabs, 7 quarters, 7 dimes, 1 nickel, 8 pennies, a butterfly, an earring that looks like the very first ring that I've ever found, and a junker earring. If you liked what you saw, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, my friends.